Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share with you a delicious recipe that originated in ancient Greece and Rome and has become a global favorite. It is known as lasagna. Stay connected till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Let's begin the recipe. First, prepare the chicken filling. Mince the chicken breast. In a cooking pan, heat some oil and add 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the minced chicken and 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, salt, black pepper powder, and crushed red chilies. Mix well. Add 1 medium-sized tomato, chopped. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken broth and cook for another 2 minutes. Add 1 medium-sized bell pepper chopped, 1 cup of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. Mix well. Once chicken is cooked, set aside. Now prepare white sauce. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Cook until golden brown. Gradually add 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for 2 minutes over medium flame. Slowly add 1 cup of milk, stirring constantly on low flame until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon each of oregano, crushed red chilies, and salt. Cook the mixture for 3 minutes, stirring continuously. Boil the lasagna sheet for 6 to 8 minutes. Assemble the lasagna. In a baking dish, spread some white sauce at the bottom. Layer the boiled lasagna sheets over the sauce, add a layer of the cooked chicken mixture, followed by a layer of grated cheese. Repeat the layers until the dish is full. Garnish with tomato slices on top. Bake in a preheated oven or microwave oven for 5 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Your delicious Italian lasagna is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Please subscribe and comment. Stay connected for the next traditional recipe from Gilgit-Baltistan tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.